How do you say pink in French? The word pink in French is rose. Rose. For example, Elle adorait porter son chemisier rose. Elle adorait porter son chemisier rose. She loved to wear her pink blouse. The word une rose, as a noun, means a rose. Une rose. Il lui a acheté une douzaine de roses. Il lui a acheté une douzaine de roses. He bought her a dozen roses. So the word pink in French is rose. If you want to learn to speak French, you can get my course 3-Minute French by going to www.3minlanguages.com. And if you use the code WELCOME on checkout, you can get a discount. Rooted in meaning. Rose comes from the Latin word rosa, meaning rose, as in the flower. The colour name originally referred to the typical shade of rose petals.